Hey guys, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move promotional emails to your primary inbox in Gmail. So go ahead and click your Gmail app there, and you want to click the three dots or the three lines in the upper left hand side, and you want to go to promotions. Now you want to find that promotional email that you want to move. I'm going to simply choose this feed email here, right? So let's say the next generation of AI avatar. So I want to move this promotional vid email to my inbox. So I'm going to press and hold it, then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click move to, and you have primary, and you just simply need to tap on primary, and that will move it directly to my inbox. If I go back to my inbox and click on my primary, then that email is there. Now you'll most likely will not be able to see it at the top, so you have to search either by scrolling down through the date, or you can use the search and just type in whatever. So you can gonna simply type in vid, and you will see that it finds the vid directly into my email account. And that's it. That's how you easily go ahead, guys, and move any email from the promotional section directly into your inbox. Very easy and very simple.